Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter and later on the cabin air filter in this 2018 Honda Pilot. We're going to remove these two clips here, and there's another clip back here. That will allow us to lift this enough to see our filter. Remove your filter, and if there is any dirt or debris in this, go ahead and vacuum that out. Taking a look at our filter, it's not too bad. A couple of bugs, some things, but we're going to change it out anyway because it's been a little while. This filter has one side with a thin spot and a thick spot. The thin spot for this case is going to go towards the backs so it can fit down into this slot that you see here. Slide it back into place. Good to go. Let's move on to the inside cabin air filter. All right. Once you've got it open, you're going to squeeze on both sides inwards, and it's going to drop down. Now, if you got a bunch of stuff, get ready to catch it. Same situation, pull in on both sides here. And here. And that's going to come bringing this out with it. Now, the airflow is important, and the airflow is pointing down. So, when we get our new filter says airflow, and it will have the direction. Sometimes you might get it and it might say it over here or over here. Just check all the sides. It's going to be on one of them. Airflow is pointing down, so we want this to go in that way. We'll take our old one out. And you can see that's done a good job of collecting some good dirt and debris, keeping that out of the inside cabin air. With the airflow matching it correctly, we're going to place this back in. Now, real simple, slide it back into place. Clip it in on both ends. Close this back up. All right, hopefully that was a pretty straightforward video on how to change both your engine and your cabin air filter in the Honda Pilot. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to drop a like, comment, subscribe if you need to. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see done on this car. Take care.